Hello, my name is Brandon Diego, and today I will be showing you how to create a filter in Google Sheets. So first, what you're going to want to do is, as always, sign in and then create or use an existing spreadsheet. After that, you're going to want to highlight the two, like always. Then you want to go up here to Data, and you want to go to Create Filter. So what this does is this creates everything here. It just makes it all green around the edges. And what you can do is you can press on these little 3-bar things, and you can make it to where like this 76.87 just doesn't appear. It's just gone forever. And then you can make it reappear as well. There you go. You can make it reappear. That's all that really does. You can delete all the blanks as well. You can delete all the blanks as well. There you go. And then you can just make it kind of look nice. See, but if you have one that's larger than the other, then if you take out all the blanks, you will not be able to see the rest. So you kind of have to leave one blank with the other. And then you can also sort. It allows you to sort in this. And that is how you create and manage a filter in Google Sheets. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.